I'm Mandy, and this is Mandy in the Making. Today we're going to do the second of 4 Mother's Day DIYs, and this one is farmhouse inspired. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute picture frame that's very unique, and it's really easy to change out the picture, and this could be part of the Mother's Day gift that you give your mom.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your
It has this clip on here. You can remove this picture and put any other picture in here that you want. So right now I just have a black and white picture of me and my family. I can just take it out and put in another picture. This is a 4x6. Alright, so I'll show you this one. This picture was our kind of goofy picture at a photo shoot that we did for our family back a few years ago in the fall. If you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching.
Here's a list of everything you'll need for this project, but don't worry, I'm going to show you everything as we go through. So I'm just using this Rust-Oleum satin spray paint in white. I found these wall art plaques at Dollar Tree. They're about 8 inches. They're square, so they're 8 inches by 8 inches, and they do have a hanger on the back, so you can either just sit them on something or you could hang it on the wall. I did about 2 coats of the paint and then let it dry for about 30 minutes. This is the burlap and lace ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just cut 2 pieces of it, long enough to cover the front and then to go down either side. And then I just hot glued it down on the top and on the bottom.
Just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la, 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're...
Now I will tell you that I was planning on doing 2 of these. The other one was going to be a little different. I worked with it and could not get it to come out right. I actually ended up ruining it, so I just did one for today, but that's what happens when you do DIYs and you're not really going by a guide, you're just kind of winging it. Sometimes you fail, and that's okay. So here I'm just hot gluing down each side so it looks like it wraps around the back.
You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
Now I'm just trimming down all of the excess ribbon and making sure the ribbon is glued down completely and adding hot glue where I need it. I bought these really small clothespins at Michael's. These paper flowers came from Michael's in the clearance section. So now comes the fun part. You try to figure out exactly how you're going to place everything. So I just kind of play around with a few different things, just trying to get it the right way before I glue anything down. My mom suggested kind of doing it catty-cornered, and I really liked this. So this is what I ended up going with. Once I glued the clothespin down, I realized I had moved it down further than I originally had it, so it looked like it was missing something. So I did one more corner of paper flowers just to kind of fill in that gap. And it's all done. I really love this gift for Mother's Day, simply because a lot of times we like to give our moms a picture, but wouldn't they love it if they got it in a homemade frame? Of course, this doesn't have to be a Mother's Day gift. You can make it for your house. If you have a love of farmhouse decor like I do, I think I'm going to keep this one for myself since I've already made my mom something for Mother's Day. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more farmhouse decor ideas, and make sure you subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of the fun.